Merkur has developed a series of mobile workshops to introduce young people to various professions, work practices and tools to be found in the metal and woodworking sectors. It provides an opportunity to gain hands-on experience, raises interest in these professions and for vocational training in these sectors. In mobile classrooms equipped with modern technology, students can test their engineering skills, try various techniques and tools, and make exciting products. In 3 years, the Merkur team has organized over 700 science, technology and engineering workshops for about 7,000 young people.
Very interesting programs and projects. Stephanie, please reveal the winner.
The winner is Mobile Workshops from Estonia. Congratulations.
Well, thank you, and indeed, congratulations.